I'm new to Arduino. I've only been using Arduino for about 2.5 months, and I'm pretty excited about this. This is my first Arduino build, where it's not really a prototype anymore. It's an actual thing now that I've made using Arduino and obviously Legos. Two cool things together that I just think is really cool. This is not an original idea. There are many tutorials and videos about people making clocks and a lot of things. You know, I could try to lie to you and say, these are my kids' Legos. These are our Legos. All of these pieces here represent some really cool memories. But this is my first build with Arduino. I am new to Arduino, but I'm excited about this. Here's the basic clock here. I just added everything else, you know, just to keep the picture looking cool. Obviously, we have the clock here, the LCD screen, which is displaying time and date. You can also make it display whatever you want. There's so many things you can do with this. You can have buttons, and you can play music. You can have a buzzer. You can have an alarm. You can have a weather station. You can do a lot of things. So let's just open this up. I just want to show you just how I assembled it inside. And that's the fun part, actually. Well, the whole thing is fun. It's all fun. I think, you know, Legos are just like made for Arduino, and Arduino's made for Legos. It's just such an easier way. If you don't want to build a box or 3D print something, Lego is just a great way to kind of meet in the middle there. Okay, so here is my build. I don't know if I'm going to be able to take it all out, but basically I have a tiny breadboard here. It's still a prototype. Can you see? Okay, so over here under, see if I can get the cables out. It's coming apart now. Still using jumper pins, nothing is soldered. There's no PCB or anything. Okay, so obviously I have my RTC, a DS3231 in there, and that is, can I get this out? I got it in there nice and snug. But down in here is my Nano. I connected a Nano, and I used the Nano. I mean, an Uno is just overkill for this, and that's why I think this is a Micro. Haven't really used it much. You could use a Micro, and these are my other two Nanos that I have. This is where I'm still learning how to solder, so these are not the best soldering jobs on all of these, but you know, this is me learning how to make things. For now, I'm just using a USB to power it. It's, you know, it's not like you just plug something in without thinking about it. You have to think it through. So I haven't really thought that part through, but I just wanted to show, you know, the build. It's a pretty, the color scheme, I kind of just slap blocks together that I had. If I was going to do this, I would, you know, probably think more about the aesthetics of the box. But you know, this was just fun. This was actually really fun to do. So this is it, my first Arduino build, and a great thing to do with your kids. If you would like to see how I created this using Arduino, I've made another 2 videos in 2 different ways of how to do this. I made a Visuino video. I'll leave the links up. All right, I hope you enjoyed this. I did. Come back again and stay tuned to VideotronicMaker. Take care.